Musamseleku and Mangwabe's son are in good relationship. When we started watching Utando Nestembo, Musamseleku was always saying to Mangwabe, your child, is not my child. Since Mangwabe, she started threatening Musamseleku to divorce him. Musamseleku started introducing Mangwabe's son on camera. Every time since Utando Nestembo season 1 until season 7, we don't know that Mangwabe have a child. It's not about Mangwabe's son doesn't visit Mangwabe. When the time they want to shoot the content on Mangwabe, she was posting. Mangwabe was posting her family, the four of them, Musamsele, Kumawande, Senande, and her Mangwabe. Mangwabe didn't post his son. How his son she feels. Musamseleku said to Mangwabe last time on season 5, he said your child, is not my child. On cameras, imagine how Mangwabe's son he feels. Musamseleku was saying all those words on cameras. That's why you see Musamseleku, he is trying to fix his mistakes, what he did about the words he was always saying to Mangwabe. It was bad. Because Mangwabe's son now is an adult. He is watching Utando Nestembo. Maybe last time he was taking advantage that Spiwe was still young. But now Spiwe knows that maybe his mother was not okay on that marriage. That's why Mangwabe, she wants to divorce him, Musamseleku, because of her son. Yes, maybe it's about Makwela, but Mangwabe saw that Musamseleku, he is so selfish sometimes. Musamseleku and Mangwabe, they agreed that Musamseleku, he is not going to marry another wife. And Mangwabe and Musamseleku told Mangwabe that Spiwe have to stay with Mangwabe's mother. Imagine your child, your husband tells you that you can't live with your child. Mangwabe was not staying with his son. Spiwe was like a visitor in Muzumbe. So that's why Musamsele could buy a house for Mangwabe. He didn't say anything about Mangwabe's son now. We started seeing Spiwe on season 8 because before Spiwe was appearing on television, I told people that Mangwabe have got a child, but people, they don't know that Mangwabe, she has a child. We started seeing Spiwe because he was trending a lot on social media that Mangwabe have a child, and people, they don't know about that. But on season 9, Musamseleku started shooting the content. We see them together, Musamseleku, Mawande, Senande, and Mangwabe. They are sitting together at Mangwabe's house in Durban. It shows Musamseleku agreed that Spiwe have to appear on cameras all the time. Why Musamseleku doesn't want Spiwe to appear on cameras? We see Musamseleku's nephew, or Musamseleku's sister, and her child Lunga. Musamseleku always saying, Lunga, you have to sing a song, what, and he was okay. So Mangwabe was counting that maybe his relatives came on camera, but Mangwabe's son, when they want to shoot the content, that child was not appearing on cameras like other kids. And Musamseleku told people on his birthday that maybe his kids, they don't want Spiwe. Imagine that in Mpumelelo and Lwahle, they don't want Spiwe. But Musamseleku knows that he was the one who said to Mangwabe, your child, is not my child. Maybe Musamseleku thinks that Spiwe can take a position from Mpumelelo and Lwahle. How Musamseleku, because Mangwabe didn't hide when she met Musamseleku all the time that she had a child. You understand? Mangwabe didn't hide to Musamseleku. Musamseleku said, I love you even you had a child. But after that, your husband want to marry you, he can say you guys. Mangwabe, I think maybe she didn't think that Musamseleku can change anytime. Understand? Mangwabe thinks that to dump her child with her mother and go to stay in a marriage with Musamseleku. Imagine women, how we can, even Mangwabe, she was supporting her kids, but she was not supposed to live in Spiwe because Spiwe was looking lonely. Guys, the way they are doing their own things. After that, they have got a show, a family show on television. And that child was always watch that family show, how he can feel that he is not appearing on television.